So ito na nga, meron tayong catering sa Friday. Marami tayong orders ng pack lunch at mga food trays. So dahil nandito tayo sa California, medyo mahal ang mga bilihin. Unlike sa New Jersey na half price yung mga doon, mga bilihin. Hindi kagaya dito sa California, grabe ang mahal. Kaya naghanap tayo ng medyo murang mabibilan. So buti nandyan yung friend ko na si Bing, si Rose, Francisco. At siya nagsabi sa akin dito na business center, Costco Business Center, parang counterpart ng Restaurant Depot sa East Coast. So tara, pasukin natin. Tingnan natin.
So we're here in Costco Business Center here in San Jose. I don't know which city is this, but anyway, this is San Jose. I don't know exactly which part of San Jose. I just follow the GPS. But anyway, let's go inside the Costco Business Center. I heard there's a lot of cheaper meat here and some items that can be used for restaurants. They actually catered for businesses. Let's go inside. So to be able to get in, you must be a Costco member, whether it's executive or I don't know the other one. But here I have this one, Visa membership. So let's get some cart right there. So get the cart. So here, like you see the people, they're buying by bulk. So they use that for restaurants or cafes. We have to scan our card first. Right here. Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Here, so as you can see, it's like bulk boxes, and unlike in regular Costco, there's no like special offers or something like discounted items like this or that, and there's not much people here actually, only those having business. So let's explore. And I heard that there are some items here that is not available in regular Costco. So I'm actually looking for meat because I'm gonna make beef morcon and some chicken meat too. Let's go first fresh produce and let's see kung anong meron sa loob, also what's there inside. Vamos a ver. I think I might need some cherry tomatoes. I made a list, but I forgot it in my house. So, as usual, diba? Lagi nakakalimutan. Gumagawa ka ng list para hindi ako makalimut sa bibili ko. Nakalimutan ko naman yung list. Madalin. Ayan. So, we need eggs for armor con. Panglagay sa loob. Ayan. So look, it's only $3.99. It's a baby shoulder. So, but this is not the meat we're looking for. Pero yung dito, mas marami yung pounds, like 10 pounds. Pakas yata kailangan mong bilhin. Kasi nga, mas mura naman. Pero, you have to clean it. Like, you have to trim the fats and everything. And you don't want the bone. So, look at the beef tongue. It's only $8.99 per pound. Mga per pound yan. So, and the oxtail is $8.99. Same in New Jersey. Medyo mura yung oxtail dito. Per pound. Yun naman yung look at the ribeye steak. It's only $13.99. And mahal yan sa labas like Safeway or other grocery store. Sometimes it play to $21 per pound. Pero dito you can get it for $13.99 lang. So yan. So 8.79. Ganda. Tapos diba, you can US choice or prime. Kayo na yung mamimili dito. So we're looking for beef jack kasi yun ang gagamitin natin sa ating salmon. Mura din yung mga hotdogs. So mga sausages. Ayan. Pork. Hindi tayo bibili ng pork ngayon. So, $3.99 lang, oh, yung mga ribs. $2.59. Oh, belly, oh. So, yung mga nagre-lechon belly, magkano yung lechon belly? Pork belly is $4.49. But ang ganda pati nung cut niya, oh. Di ba? Ang sarap ng irolyo. Ang ganda, oh. Tapos malinis, pantay. Di ba? And it's only, how much? $52, oh. Magkano na mabibenta yan? 200 na yan. Mga 200 kapag nalitsyon mo na, di ba? Laki nakita mo. So, hanap tayo ng beef chop. So, we're looking for it until now. Oh, beef chop. It's $12.59. Let's see. That's what we're looking for actually. So there we already got what we need here in Costco Business Center. We got beef, eggs, chicken. We have between tomatoes and we're going to another grocery stores to buy some stuff. There you go. We got all what we need here in Costco. We got the beef, the chicken, the sugar, the eggs, and then we're gonna go to another grocery store. So let's go. So we're done buying what we need here in Costco Business Center. So let's go to Walmart and the regular Costco to buy the rest of the items that I will need for Friday catering. Let's go.